Renewable Energy Expo. 28th to 30th of April 2022, Chennai Trade Center.
Yeah. Hi, good evening. Myself Vijayanan, representing Nordic India Solutions Private Limited. So Nordic is the company founded in 2010, and we are doing manufacturing. We are the manufacturer for combiner boxes and LT panels, and we also do the trading of inverters, panels, cable, and connectors. And we have been exhibited in the Renewable Energy Expo 2022 to market our products. We are exhibiting from the first edition, and we are the one of the pioneer in solar. We have done around gigawatt of installations, and we have sold more than 5 gigawatt of boxes, and we have expected a lot of B2B customer here, and we have this edition we have seen lot of B2B customers also, and we are happy with the arrangements done by the Water Today team. Thank you.